Have you ever stared at your notes for hours, only to forget everything the next day? You're not lazy. You're just using outdated study techniques. What if I told you that with a few simple tweaks, you could learn anything in half the time? And actually enjoy it? Let me show you how. In today's world, you're expected to learn faster, retain more, and compete with everyone doing the same. But no one teaches you how to study. You're handed a textbook, a deadline, and left to figure it out. Meanwhile, the students who actually succeed, they aren't always smarter, just more strategic. And today, you're going to learn exactly how to do that too. Meet Jake, a college sophomore drowning in lectures, deadlines, and anxiety. He used to pull all-nighters, highlight entire books, and reread the same pages over and over, hoping something would stick. His grades? Average. His mental health? Barely holding on. Then he found a smarter system. A better way to study. Within one semester, Jake was in the top 5% of his class, and for the first time in years, he had a life again. What changed? Not his IQ, not his effort, just his method. Let's break it down so you can use it too. Step 1. Learn smarter with the 80-20 rule. Most students waste 80% of their time studying stuff that barely appears on the exam. So, flip it. Here's what Jake did. He grabbed past exams and circled every question topic. He quickly saw that 20% of the material kept repeating. That's your gold mine. Spend 80% of your time mastering that 20%. It's not about studying more. It's about studying what matters. Pro tip: ask your teacher what to focus on. Most of them will literally tell you, because they want you to succeed too. This one shift alone can save you hours and massively boost your results. Step 2. Use the study sprint method, also known as brain hacking. Have you noticed how productive you get right before a deadline? That's urgency. And it works. Instead of waiting for panic to hit, create urgency on purpose. Set a 30-minute timer. Tell yourself, I only have 30 minutes. Let's go. Study with total focus. When the timer ends, take a 5-minute break. Walk. Stretch. Check your phone. Guilt-free. Then repeat. This is called the Pomodoro method, but I call it speed mode. It works because short sprints keep your brain sharp. You stay focused, avoid burnout, and skip the fake studying trap of just looking busy. It's not about studying 6 hours straight. It's about doing real work in short, focused bursts and getting better results. Step 3. Learn like Einstein, using the Feynman Technique. Einstein once said, "If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough." Translation? Teaching forces you to understand. Here's how Jake used it. He picked a topic. How does memory work? Then he explained it like he was talking to a 5-year-old. No fancy words, just pure understanding. If he got stuck, he went back, relearned the gaps, and simplified it again. The result? He didn't just memorize information, he understood it. And when you truly understand something, you don't blank out during the test. Bonus tip: explain things out loud or write them down in your own words. This forces your brain to process, not just copy. Now, let's talk bonus hacks that actually work. Active recall. Instead of rereading your notes, close the book and try to remember the key points. This makes your brain retrieve information, just like during an exam. The blurting technique. Read a chapter, then write down everything you remember. No peeking. Then check what you missed. It's like a memory workout. Flashcards. Don't just flip them. Test yourself. Cover the answer. Guess. Reveal. Repeat. And if you need help staying off your phone, use the Forest app. You plant a virtual tree. If you leave the app, your tree dies. It's surprisingly motivating. Now here's the part most students completely ignore: sleep and movement. Your brain doesn't store information while you're studying. It stores it while you sleep. So, pulling an all-nighter? Worst idea ever. Jake made it a rule: 7 to 8 hours of sleep. No excuses. He actually remembered more with less study time. And even a 10-minute walk improved his memory and mood. So if you're cramming, take breaks that involve movement. Go outside, move, then come back sharper. So here's your cheat sheet to study faster and smarter. Use the 80-20 rule. Focus on what matters. Study in short, focused sprints. Teach what you learn using the Feynman Technique. Use active recall to test yourself, and don't skip sleep or movement. Your brain depends on both. These aren't just tips. They're tools to unlock your brain's full potential. So here's your challenge. Pick one of these today and try it. Comment below. Which one are you going to test out first? I read every single comment. And if you thought these hacks were helpful, just wait until you see the strange memorization trick used by world memory champions to remember a full deck of cards in under 60 seconds. It's real. Click the next video and turn your brain into a machine. Study smart, not hard. And I'll see you there.